Hey YouTubers, I'm Jacob, and this is a how-to video for replacing the oil temp sender or sensor on a 2015 F-150 with the 5.0 liter V8. So these temp senders are somewhat hard to find. I called Ford to get the actual part number to make sure I'm getting the right one, and they wanted to charge me $60 at my local dealership. Through the local Ford parts dealer, you could get it for $45, but I ended up buying this one through O'Reilly's, which is a standard motor products with a Bosch reading on there, and it's $35. So a much better deal, and I was able to have it shipped into my local store and pick it up same day. So I highly recommend buying through O'Reilly's because these are somewhat hard to find. All right, I'm going to show you where the oil temp sender is.
The sender is on the lower driver's side of the motor, behind the alternator and oil filter. If you have a four-wheel drive truck like I do, it can be difficult to get to. It's best to remove a few things for better access. Disconnect the battery, then remove the air intake tube, serpentine belt, tensioner, and alternator in order to access the sensor from below. I'm using a ladder walk with a foam pad on the body of the truck and using my full arm length to reach the alternator. Access from below is better for the sender, but it's completely out of sight from me laying on my creeper from below. If you have a stock bumper, you may need to remove the lower valance or bumper for better access. Have an oil catch pan ready before removing the temp sender. Also have the new sender in hand and ready to install quickly to minimize engine oil loss.
Thank you for watching this how-to video for changing out the oil temp sender or sensor on a 2015 F-150 and newer with the 5.0 liter V8. If you enjoyed it, smash down the like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. Thanks for watching.